Today we're going to be refinishing this hideous red seat cover and turning it black. First up, go ahead and pop that seat, loosen these 4 bolts with whatever tool you got, and take that seat right off. Next up, grab the staple gun. This one hooks to an air compressor, but you can use the manual one. We're going to slide the seat under the seat cover, make sure everything's nice and straight and lined up the way you want it. Step 2, grab the center, fold it over the front, and we're going to flip the seat upside down. Make sure not to let this go. Once you have the seat flipped over and everything is aligned, go ahead and put a couple staples in it. We're going to turn it back over. Once the seat's flipped back over, we're going to go ahead and line everything up again. We're going to pull it nice and tight. We're going to tuck it under the opposite side now, like we're doing here, and we're going to flip it over again. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add a couple more staples to hold it tight. Now for the sides, we're going to go ahead and stretch both sides up and over, making sure everything stays tight. We're going to kind of fold it over each other like this, double checking to make sure everything's aligned, and we're going to add staples. Just a couple staples to each side to hold it for now. We're going to keep doing this all the way down the seat, just adding a couple staples every 8 inches or so, just to get everything lined up. Don't forget to keep flipping the seat over a couple times to make sure everything is still lined up. Then continue adding staples till you have enough staples to hold everything in place without it moving around. On the front and back, take your time to push the seat cover around till you get a nice rounded edge on all sides. Then when you flip it over, you're going to add several staples to hold it into place so it doesn't come undone. Go ahead and flip it around to the other side and do the exact same thing. Just take your time. Use enough staples to hold it into place. This is going to be one of the areas that likes to come undone. If you take your time, it should look like this when you're done with nice rounded edges. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other end of the seat. Just remember, take your time. All right, congratulations, you're done with the hard part. Now it's time to flip it back over and put a bunch of staples down the edges of each side of the seat so that it does not come unhooked while you're riding around. Go to town with staples. You can't do too many with this part. You don't want it coming undone. Now you're done with the stapler. We're going to go around, get a sharp pair of scissors, and trim the excess pieces off, just like I'm doing here. And with that last snip, you're all done. You're ready to go and install it back on your bike. To install it, it's the reverse. You pop it back in, tighten down those 4 nuts, and you're good to go. And now your bike is going to look a million times better without that old orange, red looking thing on it. And you're not going to have to feel ashamed riding it through the neighborhood. And now for the big reveal. Look at that. It looks so much better than that red stock seat cover. Let me know what you think. Did you like the red better or the black better? And you can actually grab it in the description. Just click that Amazon link and you can get one too. She's looking super clean. Let me know what mod you want us to do next. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.